my father is the epitome of an adventurous spirit, as far as not so much just what he would do, but what he would encourage others to do as well.
During 18 months of fighting, we suffered more deaths, over 116,000, than in Korea, Vietnam, Iraq, and Afghanistan combined.
How did you survive all these things? What's the secret of your survival and your longevity? And he said, well, when you think you're going to die, don't.
He would describe driving down the muddy roads in the ambulance, transporting wounded people and wounded soldiers. Just a fascinating glimpse into what was occurring nearly 100 years ago.
He happened to be in the Philippines when Pearl Harbor was attacked. Held as a prisoner of war in Manila, he ate his meals out of a single tin cup for 39 months. He still has the cup.
But with the Japanese, it wasn't surrender. You had to annihilate them. They would never surrender.
What is important is the ability to survive.
This is history. This will never happen again.